Brands are missing a huge opportunity with video, and I can't understand why they're not seeing it. I run a video production company, and we've seen brands use videos in all sorts of ways over the years. In this video, I'm going to highlight some of the mistakes that I've seen so that you can learn from them and benefit from that experience. The great thing is you don't need to go out and make a whole load of new videos to benefit from what I'm going to tell you. You can take the videos that you've already got, make a few tweaks, and you're going to see some big improvements. When you make a video, whether you're making it yourself or you're commissioning a video production company to come in and make the video, you're making an investment. So that might be your time, it might be your money, or it might be both. And as we know, as a business, you can't afford to waste either of those assets. So what mistakes do we see most often when it comes to making the most from your videos? The answer lies right here on this platform on YouTube. One client, we did a lovely assembly video for them. Really useful video. It showed how to assemble the product and everything. That video went onto our YouTube channel as portfolio, and they put it onto their website so that people could see, when they were buying that item, they could see how to assemble the product, which you think would be a great move. And it was a great move. It helps to show people that they've got the support and everything there. The thing is, they didn't put it onto their YouTube channel. And as a result, we've ended up with thousands of views on that video because people are going on and they're searching for how to assemble that product, and they're coming to our YouTube channel instead of our client's YouTube channel. So the missed opportunity there is that they could have had them going to their channel where they could have started seeing some other videos, and maybe they could have upsold them some other products, some accessories. So they've missed that opportunity, and they've also missed the opportunity for the increase in SEO as well that they would get from having that video there. In another example, we did an event video for a fairly big client. The client took it and they uploaded it to their YouTube channel, but they uploaded it with a bunch of other videos at the same time. They didn't really put any thought into the thumbnails, the titles, anything like that. They just kind of dumped it there. Now, they happen to have tens of thousands of followers on their YouTube channel, but they only got a few hundred views on that video. We, on the other hand, took the video and we uploaded it to our YouTube channel, which at the time only had a couple of hundred subscribers, and we've ended up with tens of thousands of views on that video because we uploaded it at a scheduled time. We didn't just batch upload it with a load of other things. We put in a thumbnail, we thought about the title, description, and everything that goes along with uploading a video properly to YouTube. So again, some missed opportunity because really they should have had all those viewers on their channel. On the flip side, another sort of extreme example, we made a company video for one of our clients, really nice company video. They put that onto their YouTube channel, and their YouTube channel has nothing on it. They have like literally a handful of subscribers on there, but they actually picked up a customer from that video on YouTube. So it sort of hints to you at the power of what could be done with YouTube if they turn that into a fully fledged channel and had a load more videos on there. So why am I saying this about YouTube, and why is this such a missed opportunity? Well, we all know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, but arguably it's the go-to search engine if you're trying to find something out, or if you're going for some entertainment or something. You could argue that in those cases it's actually bigger than Google. But it's also linked to Google by the fact that they own it, of course, so they share search data. So there's a huge opportunity to get your brand up in the search rankings by having an active and helpful and interesting, engaging YouTube channel. Just quickly, if you're finding these videos helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave us some comments under the video as well with your questions. We'd love to know what you want to know about, and if you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, you'll get a notification when these videos come out. Right, back to it. So what can you do now? I said at the beginning that you don't need to start making a whole load of new videos. You can use what you've got. And basically my advice is to go into your YouTube channel and start tidying it up. Start making it look like a portfolio site, as if it was part of your website. And I think that's the best way to look at it, actually, is that it's another website asset for you. It's another asset online. So tidy it up, sort out your descriptions, your titles, make some nice thumbnails, perhaps create some playlists. Make sure you've got a nice banner image up there, sort out your description, put your links in there. Just make it all look high-end and professional in the same way that you would with your website, because this is like a free asset for you that you've got that you could be making the most of, you could be taking advantage of it. Finally, if you've got an active YouTube channel, you've got a few views on there, go in and have a look at the analytics, because you might get some insights as to where your viewers are coming from, which just might help you with planning your next videos and uploading other videos onto your YouTube channel. Obviously, you need to have a certain number of views and everything for those analytics to make sense, but it's all there for you, it's all free, and it's at your disposal. So to get more from your investment in video, see them as an asset, because that's what they are. View your YouTube channel as a secondary website. It's what it is, really. People can go there, they can see your work, see what you're all about, and from there they could go to your main website or to a landing page, wherever you want to direct them. But you can do this now, you can do it today, and it's going to make a huge impact to your search results.